Welcome to my review of DesignCrowd Freelancer Platform Usage Experience. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at what DesignCrowd offers, how it functions, and who it's best suited for, so you can decide if it's the right platform for your freelance or business needs. DesignCrowd is a crowdsourcing platform that connects businesses with freelance designers for custom design projects. It allows clients to post design briefs and receive submissions from multiple designers worldwide, offering a wide range of design services, including logos, websites, marketing materials, and more. As a client, you can choose from a pool of professional designers, review their portfolios, and select the best fit for your project. For freelancers, it provides an opportunity to bid on a variety of design jobs, showcase their skills, and potentially build long-term relationships with clients. The platform's key features include the ability to set your budget and project details, a robust feedback loop with clients, and a rating system that helps you assess the quality and experience of designers. One of its strongest points is the ability to tap into a diverse talent pool, giving you access to unique designs and creative solutions you might not find on more traditional platforms. DesignCrowd's project management tools are also user-friendly, making it easy for clients to communicate with designers, track progress, and finalize projects. Who is DesignCrowd for? It's ideal for businesses or entrepreneurs looking for a variety of design services and want access to global talent. It's also great for freelancers who are looking for an easy way to showcase their work and get paid for creative projects. However, it's important to note that DesignCrowd operates on a bidding system, meaning designers may face competition, especially for high-demand projects, which can make it challenging for newcomers to stand out without a solid portfolio. In terms of cost, DesignCrowd has a flexible pricing model, depending on your project's complexity. But keep in mind that higher quality designers may charge more. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, the platform's quality and diversity of designers justify the cost for many businesses. Overall, DesignCrowd is a solid choice for anyone looking for diverse design talent, easy project management, and a wide range of creative services. If you're looking for a platform with global reach and design excellence, DesignCrowd could be a great fit.